Nengi has just confirmed that Ozo will never do her laundry if he was in the house. Check this out. Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. If you have not hit the red subscribe button below, what are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button now so you can get amazing updates from this channel. Okay, let's go to the business of today. So during the conversation between Nengi and Neo concerning him washing V's clothes and underwears, she was like, Ozo will never do that for her if he was still in the house. She confirmed that Ozo loves her and he can do anything for her, but that alone, doing her laundry for her, he will never do it for her. She was telling V when she saw the moment, she said V was a very lucky girl by seeing him doing that. She was a very lucky girl. But she showed surprise that he was actually washing her panties alongside, and V made a statement that he knew that she was a clean girl and her panties are clean, so that's why he keeps doing it. But many guys are coming for Neo now that worry boy don't carry last.
Please, if you're new to this channel, hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification button, which will give you updates as we keep on posting new and new photos every day. Thank you.